Hey everybody, it's Dave, and it's week 18. It's the week we've been waiting for. It's our last week together. So with this video, I'm just going to tell you about quiz 11, which is our last quiz. And I should tell you also about grading and stuff like that. So first of all, quiz 11. There's a documentary you're going to watch. It's about 90 minutes long. You need to sit down, watch it thoroughly, take some notes. There's a movie guide there to help you. Then what you're going to do is you're going to write a one-page essay. Now, the prompt of the essay basically explains to you that you're working for a company. You're approached as to whether or not you should purchase Terry Horton's painting for the company. The price of the painting is $50 million, period. That's not negotiable. But your argument, the basis for the essay, are taking the facts from the documentary and applying them to this real-world problem. So you're going to either suggest that your company, yes, they buy this painting, or no, they don't buy this painting. And it comes down to whether this is an authentic Jackson Pollock painting or not. And so that's what you're going to do for your essay. Once you're done, you're going to upload it. It's just a one-page essay. Don't write any more than one page. Don't write any less than one page. There's also some formatting instructions that are on the download, so please make sure to read those and follow them. But after that, that's really about it. I will tell you also a short thing on grades. I will have all the grades. Well, first of all, the due date. May 14th, Monday, 11:55 p.m. is when this paper is due. If you do it now, turn it in, I'll grade it. It's fantastic. And that way you can see like where you're going to fall as far as letter grades go. The grades go into the registrar as soon as I'm finished with them as a class. So they're going to be available to you, I think it's the 25th or 26th of May. If you find an error on your overall letter grade, you need to bring that to my attention immediately. And I think I gave you a date of June 7th or 8th. The first 2 weeks after I submit grades, I still have the flexibility of changing them, of, you know, doing paperwork, explaining why I made a mistake and everything like that, and then sending it off for the signatures and stuff like that. And then about 2 weeks later, the grade changes. After June 8th, though, it really becomes more of a solid grade, and it's unchangeable at that time. So if you do see an error, always check your grades early on. A lot of people, of course, as soon as they're posted, they check. That's great. But don't wait until like August or September and go, Dave, you made a mistake. I got a B+ in the class, and you gave me a C+, just because I clicked the wrong button. But if it's 2-3 months later, there's not a whole lot I can do. So always check your grades immediately, because it's kind of like cement. When you first pour cement, yeah, it's movable and pliable and malleable. But when the cement hardens, you know, it's like you can't move it. It has to be destroyed. So that's the way kind of grades are. Other than that, I think that's about it. It's a good time also to go through and check and make sure you've gotten credit for all the assignments you've turned in. If there was something I missed, please let me know. Just drop me an email. But everything should be, you know, with your earlier assignments, they should all be graded, posted, and everything. So there's nothing more I'm going to be adding to the grade book. And yeah. So that's it. If you have any questions, of course, I'm always available to you. I do teach at Chafee regularly, so feel free to drop me an email. And I hope you guys have a great summer.